Good morning, children. I hope everybody are good. In this video, we are going to read about the chapter Employee Selection Process. Under unit number 4, Employee Selection Process. In the last classes, we studied about the recruitment methods. But in this lesson, we are going to see about the employee selection process. Employee selection can range from a very simple process to a very complicated process. For example, in a company, the employee selection is a very important procedure. It is a simple as well as a complicated process. There is no standard universally accepted selection process because it is adapted for all organizations. The selection process may be adapted depending upon the nature of jobs and organization. The process may differ from the organization to organization. A selection process includes a number of steps: screening the application forms, test, interview, checking of reference, physical examination, and approval by appropriate authority, handing over the selected candidate to the orientation and placement sections. So, a selection process includes a number of steps. In this lesson, we are going to see about the steps in employee selection process. Before that, we should read the definition of selection. So, selection is the process in which the candidate for employment are divided into two classes: those who are be offered employment and those who are not. According to Dale Yoder, selection is the process in which the candidates for employment are divided into two classes: those who are to be offered employment and those who are not. David and Robbins, selection is a managerial decision-making process is to predict which job applicants will be successful if hired. Then steps in employee selection process. There are 6 steps. So not only 6 steps, there are more steps are in the selection process. Here we are going to see about the 6 steps. First one, application, plan, scrutinizing the application, selection test. Second one, interview. Third one, physical examination, that is reference check. Fourth one, approval of higher authority. Then fifth one, final selection. Sixth one, contract of payment. So a comprehensive selection process involves the various steps as in here. First one, application plan. Most of the public sector undertaking, various ministries of government, selection commission, recruitment boards, and government companies, private sectors, either supply pre-printed application form or direct the candidates to download the forms uploaded in their respective website. So most of the companies, private institutions and public institutions pre-printed the application form or direct the candidate to download the form uploaded in their respective website. In the case, voluntary applications submitted by the candidate, they are issued application form afresh at the venue of the interview to collect complete information about the candidate in the standardized format. Then scrutinizing the applications. First one, application plan. Then second one, scrutinizing the application. But the applications received in response to advertisement inviting applicants for opening or more. It is not possible for recruitment agency to call all the applicants for interview. So the selection committee has to evolve some critical criteria like age, length of experience, level of education, percentage of mark, higher qualification, level of exposure, communal codes, proficiency, etc. to shortlist the number of applicants for the interview. So they collect all the applications and sort this list according to their name wise, qualification wise, percentage of mark wise, higher qualification wise. Then selection test. After verifying the applications, they'll give selection test. First one, selection test. Several tests are conducted in the selection process to ensure whether the candidate possesses the necessary qualification to fit into the various positions in the organization. So, in order to select the candidate is not an easy job. If the candidate is particularly fit for the particular work, or he must possess the various necessary qualifications. So, to check that, several tests are conducted in the selection process to ensure whether the candidate possesses the necessary qualification to fit into various positions in the organization. The selection test may be divided into two types: ability test and personality test. Under ability test, we have four tests. First one, aptitude, achievement, intelligence, and judgment. Under personality test, interest, personality, projective, and aptitude. So first one, we are going to see about the ability test. A test designed to measure an individual cognitive function. Cognitive means to check their intelligence. That is aptitude test. There are various type of aptitude tests. First one, aptitude. Aptitude test is a test to measure suitability of the candidate for the post or role. If you want to select one candidate, means that candidate is suitable for the particular post. In order to check their suitability, they conduct aptitude test. It helps in predicting the ability and future performance of the candidate. So, aptitude test can be measured by the following ways. First one, numerical reasoning test. Numerical reasoning test provides information about the candidate numerical aptitude. First one, numerical reasoning test. Numerical reasoning, this test measures the candidate ability to make correct decision from numerical data. Second one, verbal reasoning test. Inductive test is one of the psychometric tests to conducted in the selection process to measure the problem solving abilities and ability to apply logical reasoning. Then mechanical reasoning. This test measures the engineering students' ability to apply engineering concept in actual practice. Then diagrammatic reasoning. This test measures the candidate ability to understand the shapes, abstract ideas, and ability to observe and extract values from illustration and apply them to new samples. Then spatial reasoning test. The test measures the candidate ability to clearly manipulate a number of the shapes, still images, and find out pattern which govern the sequence. Then situational judgment test. This test measures the candidate's ability to choose the most desirable action in critical situation using his judging ability. In the critical situations, he must use his judging ability. Then mental arithmetic test. It tests the candidate basic numerical ability like addition, subtractions, multiplication, division, and fractions. It tests the speed of doing calculation. Then vocabulary test. The test measures candidates' ability to recognize the relationship among the ideas, think methodically, and fluency in English language. To check their fluency in English language and methodical and ideas, they conduct a vocabulary test. The number sequence test. This measures the candidate ability to find a logic in series or pattern. Under this test, candidate have to find out missing number in a sequence to determine the pattern. Then achievement test. So second heading, achievement test. This test measures the candidate's capacity to achieve in a particular field. In other words, this test measures a candidate's level of skill in certain areas. It may be the regular examinations conducted in educational institution represent achievement test. It is also called proficiency test. So this achievement test is otherwise called proficiency test. Example, a driver may be asked to drive a vehicle to test his driving efficiency. A music student may be asked to play a given instrument. A teacher candidate may be asked to give a demonstration. The third one, intelligent test. Intelligent tests are one of the psychological tests that is designed to measure a variety of mental ability, individual capacity of a candidate. The main aim of this test is to obtain an idea of the person's intellectual potential. Then fourth one, judgment test. This test is conducted to test the presence of mind and reasoning capacity of the candidate. So under ability test we have 4 tests. First one, aptitude test. Second one, achievement test. Third one, intelligence test. And fourth one, judgment test. The next heading under the selection test, personality test. Under the selection test, we have 2 tests. First one, ability test, and another category, personality test. Under ability test, we have 4 tests: aptitude, achievement, intelligence, and judgment. And another type of test is personality test. A personality test refers to the test conducted to find out the non-intellectual traits: emotional response, temperament, capability, and stability. There is no right or wrong answer in the test. It comprises the following tests. First one, interest test. Interest test measures a candidate's extent of interest in a particular area chosen by him. In order to know the interest of the particular field chosen by the candidate, this test is conducted. Then, personality inventory test. This method standardized questionnaire is administered to the candidate to find out traits like interpersonal rubber, dominance, introvertness, extrovertness, and self-confidence, low assigned quality. This test assesses their reliability and innate characters of the candidate concerned. Then third one, projective test or thematic appreciation test. This test measures the candidate values, attitude, apprehensive, personality, etc. Out of the interpretation or narration given by the candidate to the pictures, figures, etc. Then fourth one, attitude test. This test measures the candidate tendencies towards the people, situation, action, and related things. For example, moral study, value study, social responsibility, etc. So these are the tests conducted by the organization to the candidates.